All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So yeah, here we are with the Pixel 4a 5G. This time in that white color. So you're probably thinking, Jay, you already had the Pixel 4a 5G. You're right. I bought the black one when it launched, and you know, I sold the black one with the idea that once this white one comes out, I can just grab it real quick. But it actually wasn't that easy because once I sold my black one, I wasn't able to get the white one. And here we are a little while later, maybe a month or two later, I'm not sure. And here finally I was able to scour the internet and find one of these brand new, I cut the seal already, but same contents as before. This is just the white version of this device, and I really like this because it has this green power button right here. I think that's pretty cool. It's just a white design of the same device. It's kind of off-white too. I really like that. But I wanted to go ahead and bring this back in real briefly and show you guys that it is back. You will see some videos on it because this is just one of my daily drivers. Yes, I do have the other Pixel devices, but I really enjoyed the Pixel 4a 5G the most. I think it is the best option that they're offering. And I named this device my device of the year for 2020. One of them. It was this and the Pixel and the Z Fold 2. But this device, hands down, is something that everyone should get a chance to experience. So yeah, this one is back, man. Finally got it back in the house. It took some searching, but I was able to grab it brand new, and I'm super excited. So I get this set up and start using it again. Pretty excited about it. I can't tell you how happy I am to finally get this device back. But I'll see you guys in the next video. It's your man Jay. The white Pixel 4a 5G is here.